Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure Animal Company servers are reachable and your account isn't restricted. Once that's done, open your VPN app and pick a nearby server region to reduce latency. Choose UDP for speed or TCP for reliability depending on packet loss. Make sure you close raw blocks before switching servers so the game reinitializes network routing. You do this because the client binds to current routes. Changing VPN while connected often causes handshake failures, so restart the client after switching. Now you fine-tune both VPN and game settings to stabilize play. First, test UDP. If you experience drops, switch to TCP to see if reliability improves. Next, enable split tunneling and add raw blocks to the bypass list so only game traffic can go direct while other apps use VPN. This often cures inconsistent pings. Also, if your device struggles, temporarily lower VPN encryption or use a lightweight cipher. This reduces CPU overhead and can stop in-game stutters while maintaining basic privacy. Finish by cleaning up network state and validating fixes. Flush DNS and renew your IP so stale entries don't route you incorrectly. On Windows, use ipconfig commands or restart networking on Mac. Then test several VPN servers and pick the most stable one for future sessions, saving it as a favorite. If issues persist, temporarily disable the VPN and try a mobile hotspot to determine whether the problem is your ISP, the VPN provider, or the game. If needed, contact VPN support with log timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.